A man and a woman. A sandwich and milk. Rice and an apple. Bread and water.
The woman is drinking coffee. The boy and the man are drinking water. The girl is eating bread. The man and the woman are eating rice. Are eating eggs. They are eating eggs.
He is driving a car. They are reading a newspaper.
She is drinking water. The boy is drinking milk.
She is eating an apple.
The man is eating an egg.
They are eating sandwiches.
He has a cat.
She has sandwiches.
They have a newspaper.
They have pens.
She is reading a book. They are reading a newspaper. He is driving a car. They are eating apples.
The man is driving. The boy is not driving. The woman is driving. The girl is not driving.
The women have rice. The women do not have rice. The boy has a pen. The boy does not have a pen.
What? What is this? This is an egg.
What is this?
A pen. This is a pen. Is this? What is this? This is a fish.
Is he sleeping?
Yes. Sleeping. Yes, he is sleeping.
Sleeping? Is she sleeping?
No, she is not sleeping.